Hi guys, welcome to our channel Exposure. Look at the image. A giraffe is in a photo frame and it is eating leaves from a tree that is in another photo frame. It is a visual fun. Today we'll show how we can make it. Hope you will enjoy this easy tutorial. What we need to make this: number 1, an image of two photo frame on a wall and an image of a giraffe eating leaves from a tree. Now see, these are the two images. Take the rectangular marquee tool and come to the image of the giraffe. Copy the image, Ctrl C, and come to the photo frame, Ctrl V. Now resize the image so that it is fit between these two photo frame. Now right click and flip horizontal. Enter. Come to the layer palette, hide this layer. Now select the rectangular marquee tool and select the photo area in frame number 1. Take a new layer. You can take it from this layer palette or you can press Ctrl Shift N. Now fill it with 50% gray. You can take any other color too. We need to fix the area. Stay in the same layer and select the image area of the second photo frame and fill it. Now the two image area is filled with gray patch. Take the gray layer below the giraffe layer and name the gray layer image area. Now come to this image that is of a giraffe, name it G. Now press Ctrl and hit the image area layer. You get the selection. Now come to layer G and add layer mask. Now see, the giraffe layer is the image is parted in two parts and we will see it in two frames. But what we want to do, we want to show the giraffe standing in one frame and it's having leaves from another frame. So we need to adjust the image size. Select the G layer and unlink the mask and the image. Now select the image and press Ctrl T. From top left corner we shorten it and Now we'll adjust it. See, the left portion of the image area in photo frame 1 is empty. Now select this empty area with a part of the image area and come to edit and fill. Select content aware and OK. The area is filled with the same background. Now link the layer mask and disable it. Come to the giraffe layer and select quick selection tool. Select the body of the giraffe. Come to selection and refine edge. Make smooth one, radius 0.5, contrast 1, now press OK. The selection is done. But there is also some uneven area we need to modify. Just take polygon lasso and add this portion. Now enable the layer mask and take white on foreground and press Alt backpress. Now come to the G layer, select the mask area and take white on foreground and press Alt backpress. The body of the giraffe comes out. See, the legs goes over the frame, so we need to hide this portion. Select this area, come to the mask and press Ctrl backpress. Now see, the giraffe comes from this layer, this frame 2 and eating leaves in frame 1. But to make it realistic, we need to add some shadows so that it seems it comes over the frame and wall. Get the selection by hitting the mask area. but here the selection is total area that is shown of the image. Remove the. Now take a new layer and fill it with gray. Put the layer down the G layer and take it a little down and left. Now go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. It's too much. Yes, now it is fine. Make the layer mode multiply and down the opacity. It's okay with 73%. See, there is a gap in this portion and make it blur. See, it is not on the same plane. There is ups and down in frame and wall, so we need to manage it. When the shadow comes down from the frame to wall and comes up from wall to frame, the shadow will not in the same line. So select this shadow layer and just down it a little. Now it seems okay. In the same way, it will be a little down when it comes down from the frame. Now it looks realistic. Come to the lower portion of the frame 2 where the font legs are resting. We need a ground here, but this is a grassy ground. Take the brush of grass and come to the G layer, select mask and white on the foreground color. See, the grasses comes and create the background, but the grasses go on the photo frame. We have to remove it. Just select this frame area, come to G layer, select mask and press Ctrl back press. Now see, the job is done. Hope you like it. Goodbye. We'll come again with a new and interesting tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.